Olivia. Do you see your tray right here? Is that tomatoes? So that you can have pizza for supper? Because you're going to have veggie pizza? I can't click your tray in while I'm doing this. Say thanks, Dad.
Yeah.
Try that and tell me what you think. Don't just move them around. Oh, you had to pick the perfect one, did you? Hi.
Try it again. Here.
I know it's bitter-ish. Good girl. What's that?
Oh.
What do you think? Is that okay? Oh, we're going for more.
You like that?
Are you going to have some more? Next step, plain pasta, then pasta with sauce. Oh, that's an awful face, baby. Yum! Is that good? Here we go. Look at your teeth. You're supposed to chew with your mouth closed, madam. You don't really care, do you? You can have a veggie pizza with peppers and tomato and what else is on it? Mushrooms? Mmm. Because you like peppers. Okay, are we going to say bye?
Bye.
Bye? So he's like, where are we going?
No
Bye.
bye.
She's been waving bye all day. Bye? Olivia? Hi? Not even hi. You're busy. Okay, well, we'll be back with pizza.